So you want to ensure that your luggage is durable. You don't want to just buy whatever luggage from a supermarket and then lose a wheel at the airport. When you're rushing, when you're stressed out, you want to get to your destination. I would never buy a suitcase without 360 wheels anymore. Like, you know, it's not 90s anymore. When I saw it, I was like, this looks amazing. I want to talk about some cons. Hi everyone. So in today's video, as you can see, I have a new luggage with me here, which I'm gonna be unboxing with you here. This is the NinetyGo Rhine Pro Collection 20-inch carry-on luggage with a USB port. So if you have a phone that keeps dying on you, and I actually had that with my iPhone 14 Pro, for some reason within the first year the battery health dropped like to 85%. And like, I always take care of my devices. So that was the first phone that basically I kind of had to constantly charge. So this suitcase would be honestly a lifesaver, especially that I often travel to places that are very far, and sometimes those USB chargers on planes don't work, and I need something that will basically charge my phone. If you know, I'm on a plane for 12 hours and I can't charge my phone, that's not good. Okay, let's just unbox it. I can already tell it's pretty light, but before we get into reviewing this thing, opening up, I want to talk about some cons. So in case any of those are a game changer for you, I don't have to waste your time. You can just keep scrolling or whatever else you're doing on YouTube. So first things first, the first con is that this carry-on comes only in two colors, in black, as you can see here, and in green. So if you're looking for a luggage in some very original color, well, you don't really have a lot of options. I went with black because I honestly loved it. When I saw it, I was like, this looks amazing. So I really wanted it, and that's what I'm gonna be reviewing today. Okay, I'm so excited. This looks amazing. Okay, so let's start unboxing this here. You know what, that's gonna be loud. So if the color options are not a big issue for you, let's go to pros. So the first pro is that this carry-on is amazingly priced. It's actually only $140. So compared to other carry-ons that I've purchased and also saw online, like, this is a very attractive price. I honestly haven't seen a nice looking carry-on that is good quality, that it's light, that it has, as you can see, a USB port, a TSA lock, and 360 very smooth wheels. I honestly haven't seen a luggage like that for that price. Like, the cheapest I could find was like over $200. So that's a big thing. It's at just $140. Like, it's a pretty good deal. And a quick interruption, if you're finding the value in this video, I would truly appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe. You will find all the links to the items I'm showcasing in this video down below. By using any of those links, you are directly supporting my channel, and it won't cost any extra for you. So thank you so much for your support. And all right, now back to the video. The other thing is that the manufacturers, NinetyGo, they've been manufacturing luggage for brands like Samsonite since 2005, so they know their thing. They've been producing luggage for a very long time. The other thing is that they do test their luggage in 40 different tests to really ensure that the luggage is durable, which obviously is important. You know, people on the airport, whenever I see those videos on TikTok, like how they handle your luggage, like, you really need something that is super heavy duty. So I love that they test their luggage. It's important. So you want to ensure that your luggage is durable. You don't want to just buy whatever luggage from a supermarket and then lose a wheel at the airport. When you're rushing, when you're stressed out, you want to get to your destination. That would be literally the worst thing. So I'm already stressed by traveling. I want to at least feel good about the luggage that I have with me. So this luggage also comes with a 10-year warranty. So if anything happens, they cover you, so you're fine. I would definitely not buy any luggage that doesn't have any warranty, because that's a red flag. So I love that they have a 10-year warranty, which is pretty long. And they also have 30-day money-back guarantees. So if you decide that you don't like it, you can just send it back and get your money back. So that's great. And as I mentioned before, this carry-on is very, very light. Like, I'm just like, you know, rolling it around here, holding it lifting it, and that's great because when it comes to carry-on, I want to make sure that I can lift it. You know, you have to put this in the overbin compartments, so you're already gonna put stuff in. You want to make sure that the carry-on is light so you can fit more stuff in and you don't have to struggle with it. So I love that, and even though it's very light, it doesn't fall over. Like some suitcases and some carry-ons I had in the past, they weren't really balanced well, so like I would be rolling it empty and it would like literally fall over. So that's another thing. Like I can already tell this has much better balance than some of the other suitcases. And like I mentioned before, 360 wheels, a must-have. I don't think anyone will be buying a suitcase that doesn't have 360 wheels. Like, it's a must-have. If you want to push your purse on top of it and just roll it like this, 360 wheels are a must. So you need that. I would never buy a suitcase without 360 wheels anymore. Like, you know, it's not 90s anymore. So that's important, and I can already tell they are pretty nice. And I also love that they are black. I have another carry-on that has gray wheels, and unfortunately you can see dirt on it easily, which is like anytime I take a trip I need to clean those wheels thoroughly because it's gross. Like, I'm not gonna be putting the suitcase in my closet because it's like, oh, those wheels are gross. Like, I can still clean this, but I enjoy that I don't have to look at it and see like, oh, those wheels are not gray anymore. Ooh, so satisfying when you open this up. The zippers work amazingly well, which I love. Ooh, okay, so I really like that you get 2 compartments here. This is very convenient because sometimes I have like some smaller stuff that I don't want to lose inside of my suitcase, so I love to have these pockets here and bigger compartment here, which again you can use too. And here are your cables so you can plug your charger and charge your device. Yeah, it doesn't come with any accessories, but again, for this price, $140, like, this is all you need, you know? So yeah, this looks very nice. I'm not seeing anything questionable. You get the straps here, so if you have something that you want to keep in this compartment, like I always just zip it up whenever I need to open, you know, for the TSA officer, like nothing, you know, goes flying. So this is great. And yeah, I mean, there's not much to talk about. This is, you get all the things that, you know, you need, and that's it. So this is the unboxing and first impression review of the NinetyGo Rhine Pro Collection 20-inch carry-on, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope all the information that I give you here was useful, and I hope I made your decision easier. Honestly, this is a great deal for $140. I haven't seen a better deal out there, especially when it comes to this luggage. Like, it looks amazing, it has great wheels, it has all the things that I look for in the luggage, plus some, because you do get that USB cord. So if you want to charge your device, you get that easy access. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll link this carry-on in the description below, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.